In this video, you will learn how to create an estimate using Pricebooks in IndusTrack. First, make sure your estimation style is set to Pricebooks by going to the Settings. In the Company Settings, click over to the Advanced tab and make sure the slider Estimation using Pricebooks is in the enabled position, and then click Save. Note that estimation using Pricebooks and estimation using multiple phases cannot both be enabled. Now, click on Estimates along the top to begin creating an estimate using Pricebooks. You will now see the list of past estimates with a summary of estimates won, lost, and pending for the time period defined along the top. To create a new estimate, click the Add New button in the top right. Search for and select the customer to create it for. If they have multiple service locations, select the appropriate location on the right. First, at the very top, give your estimate a number. If you have auto-incrementing for your estimates enabled, it will automatically be filled in. Auto-incrementing can be set up in the Advanced Company Settings. Next, give your estimate a description. Then select which proposal template to use from the drop-down. For more on setting up unique proposal templates, watch our video on proposal template setup. Now let's move on to populating the estimate with parts and services. Click in the search bar and begin typing the name of the part, service, or equipment you are looking for until it appears in the drop-down. Then update the markup by clicking on the book icon. You will see the membership level of the customer, and then you can pick from the 3 markup levels you made during the Pricebook setup. You can also just enter a price manually by clicking here. Next, enter the quantity. Repeat for any additional items. If you need to remove an item, click the X on the right for that item. Now that we have all the items attached, let's move on to adding discounts and taxes. To add a special discount, click the Add button here next to Discount. Enter the value of the discount, and then select whether that value is a dollar amount or a percentage from the drop-down. Click Save. To add taxes, click the Add button here next to Tax. You can select a previously created tax from the drop-down. If you need to create a new tax, select the radio button here, and then give the tax a name and enter the tax percentage here. Now when you click Save, the tax will be saved into the drop-down list above for future use. Next, add any notes for the customer here. Then, if necessary, customize the About Us or Terms and Conditions. These will be populated from the template you selected earlier, but you can modify them if necessary. Once you have everything the way you want, click Save. Now you can preview the estimate by clicking Actions and selecting Preview. If everything looks good, you can send it to the customer by clicking Actions and selecting Send to Email. Once the customer has approved the estimate, mark it 1 under Actions, then you can convert it to a job by clicking Actions and selecting Convert to Job. This will take you to the scheduling module and auto-populate a job with the customer and parts and materials already added. Simply set the time and date and assign a tech, and then click Save. If the estimate doesn't include any service you need to complete in the future, you are also able to convert it directly to an invoice by clicking Actions and selecting Convert to Invoice. IndusTrack, an all-in-one solution.